Schools across the metro area are adopting a tech-savvy approach to fighting the flu.
Now, this is very unique, and it starts with sending each student home with a smart thermometer, actually, or a thermometer. Parents can actually track the symptoms in real time. And Fox 2's Katie Corman explains how this bright idea is helping families in schools.
Vic and Jasmine, since the school opened here in the Mehlville School District back in 2017, MOSAIC Elementary School has offered a project-based learning. Students are able to learn by getting hands-on and actually participating. But I don't have to tell parents and teachers that those little hands can carry a lot of germs. So this fall, the school is being proactive in trying to stop a flu outbreak.
Sharing is great, not for the germs.
Jenny Gardner says she is thrilled with the education her kids are getting at MOSAIC Elementary. At home, she's building upon the education by teaching her 2nd and 4th graders good hygiene.
She teaches us to wash our hands and use hand sanitizer.
She puts wipes in my bag, so every time I use my helmet, after a game or practice, and I wipe it down.
The school recently adopted new technology to help Gardner and other parents track the bugs that may be lurking around the halls.
For 2nd grade, there was 2 kids that were sick in the past week, and then it just showed their symptoms. So coughing, sneezing, one had stomach issues.
Registered nurse Carly Rogers says the goal is to reduce the number of student absences this winter.
Last cold and flu season, I saw over 2,000 visits to my health room.
For a school with a population of 250, that's a lot of sick students.
Stomach ache, headache, some were actively vomiting.
After Rogers applied and MOSAIC was accepted into the program, the smart thermometers were free to all families and staff. Users download the Kinsa app and enable the Bluetooth technology.
When you activate it, it actually syncs with the app and gives you real-time kind of guidance on what to do next.
Gardner says the app allows her to track temperature, symptoms, diagnoses, and medication. Identifying information is confidential, but Rogers is able to see symptoms and track trends, allowing her to better communicate with parents because she says early detection is key.
Hey, if your student is experiencing any of these symptoms, it's going around, keep them home.
So more than 45 schools in Missouri have adopted this technology. About half of them are right here in the St. Louis area. The Afton School District adopted this technology last year. They tell us to date, more than 200 families have now signed up to use that program. That's more than twice that had originally signed up when they first launched the app. For now, we're live in Mehlville. Katie Corman, Fox 2 News.